Amazing health benefits of tuna fish. Tuna fish are a very diverse family of fish that has become one of the most valued and desirable fish of the market. Their delicious taste, global availability, and healthy components make it an ideal replacement for red meat or for those who like to add some healthy variety to their diet. It belongs to the family of fish as bonito and albacore, which is Combridae family, which is commonly called the mackerel group.
Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.
Energy levels. The B complex of vitamins has been connected with a wide range of different health aspects, but as a whole, they are mainly involved in improving the metabolism and increasing the efficiency of our organ system, while also protecting the skin and increasing energy. By consuming tuna fish regularly, you can ensure that you are active, energetic, and healthy. Blood circulation. Many people turn to tuna fish because it is so beneficial for the heart, but people often forget that it is also very good for the blood. Tuna fish is a rich source of iron, along with the B complex vitamins that play an important role in red blood cells formation. Without iron, people become anemic and their blood is unable to properly oxygenate the vital organ system and that need fresh oxygen to function efficiently. Cancer prevention. Tuna fish has very good antioxidant properties thanks to selenium and various other nutritional components, making it effective at preventing some types of cancer. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals before they can cause mutation in healthy cells, thereby turning them into cancer cells. Kidney disease. Potassium and sodium content in tuna is well balanced, which help to manage the fluid balance in the body. When your body properly maintains the fluid balance between salts and potassium, then the kidney can function properly and without undue stress, thereby lowering the chance of developing a serious kidney condition. Reducing inflammation. By generally reducing the inflammation of the body thanks to healthy cholesterol and anti-inflammatory vitamins and minerals, tuna fish can keep the body's overall stress level down. A reduction in inflammation across the body helps all of the organ system by not diverting resources away from essential functions. It also helps to prevent against inflammatory diseases like arthritis and gout, both of which afflicts millions of people around the world.